What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Back at another Nike outlet because, man, some of the Nike outlets have been crazy. That's what y'all been telling me. So we're hitting up as many as we can. Let's go see what's up with the Torrance Nike outlet. Nike outlet Torrance. So curious to see if they still have that heat wall. Let's go see what up, man. They was giving up. Yeah, they had that heat wall. They had 30% off at the heat wall. See if it continues. First thing I noticed, oh wait, oh they still do have the heat wall. Okay, I thought it was gone. All right, let's go find it. Let's go check it out ASAP. Oh, so no more 30% off everything. It all just depends on how much stuff they got. Yeah, not seeing no 30% off anywhere. Okay.
Did you ever pick up the
Air Max 90s are here. That's the size what, 8.5. Some Hello Kitties. We've been seeing a bunch of this stuff on sale, but no, not today. This is the Rui Hamurachi. I don't know how the hell you say his name, but yeah, this is that version. This is a size 10. Okay. Some mids, more mids, another mid. Okay. Oh, this is a dunk. My bad. This is a dunk. Okay. Jordan 1 Fly E's right here. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Got some more dunks. Grade school stuff right here. Okay. Seeing if they show anything dope right here. Not really. I saw a couple resellers trying to work one of the workers, see if they have anything in the back and stuff. Used to have the last section or the last shot section back here against the back wall, and that's gone. More clean stuff. Okay. In the size 10, got some Go Fly E's here. Go for retail. Oh snap! They don't even have 30% off here. Dang, we just went to a couple other spots. They had 30% off. No 30% off here. What? This is gonna be a quick trip because there's no 30% off, dude. iShot wears right here. First signature shoe, pretty decent. $100 though, man. Oh, the Why Not 0.5s go for $130 retail. Oh, we've seen these here for quite some time. I forgot what the hell these are called. Why do I always forget the name of these? The Quandos right here. Super heavy as hell, man. But it is retail. 10.5 LeBrons going for $230. Size 9.5 going for $130. These are the KD on pearls. KD 14s. He always makes an on pearl version. And there's always breast cancer awareness colorway of pink. 20 off for these, I guess. Okay. 11.5 Air Force Ones go for $135. More 11.5 Air Max 2017s go for $140. Metcons go for $90. Size 12 LeBrons go for $170. No extra discounts. I was like, is that a bread colorway? Yeah, they spent it on these, dude. They used up the bread on the Jordan Point Lanes right here. Dang. Size 13 Invincible Run Flyknits go for, oh my bad, yeah, Invincible Run Flyknits go for $125. Size 15's got these, the Hirachi Craters, and that's it, dude. That's it. Some more 10.5s. I'm in like the size 8 section, but 10.5s. Air Max Ones right here. This is a Nike by You version. Okay, regular price $180. Steep. Another size 10 right here. Go for $90. That is the bread colorway of the center cords. Couple pair of LeBrons. $170 for these. What size is this? Size 9, and then got some lows going for retail. All right. Don't really see anything that stands out too much. Let's check out the aisles. On that side. Witness 5s. Got some soldiers right here. You got series mids. Go for too much. Jordan Access. Hydros. Weren't these down to 35 a while back? Dude, got some Witness 5s right here. Trey 5 8s. LeBron's right here. Starting to see more and more. Air Force One premiums. Only got a few sizes here. Okay, that's all canvas. Only 9s through 12s pretty much. Okay. Air Max APs. 2017s. Air Max 90s. Okay. Flight 89s. Got some Hirachis. Killshot 2 leathers. React 270s. Nike City Reps. Got these. Another one of those. Some Monarchs. Another more Monarch. Got more Monarchs. Defy all days. You know there isn't much if I'm showing y'all these sneakers. Just not much, man. Can't win every time. Zoom flies, 4s. Another one of those. Pegasus, 37s. Plenty of Pegasus, more 37s. Another one of those. 38s now. All seem pretty similar. React Milers, Infinity Run Flyknits. So no sale in the men's clearance section, but there is a sale in the women's clearance section. What size? The size 9 Air Max 97s. Go for retail though, but that's pretty dope. Size 7 Zoo Flies go for 150. Alpha Flies, 2 bills. Vapor Flies, Vapor Flies for 2 bills. Another one of those. 240 for that colorway. Air Max 2017s, 120 for size 7. Air Maze. This $180, that's the size 8.5. So they do have sales, but just not much hype, dude. Not much dope stuff. Like 120 for these. Like, that's an awful colorway of Air Max 2017s. I start talking trash, then they provide this. Like, look at this. These are the Alpha Fly Next Percents going for 130, and then oh my god, under $100. Biggest size is a size 9. Yeah, 5.5 to size 9. That's it. Dang. Air Force One Fontankas does have that React inside. Greater Impact. Yeah, I was right, dude. Look, Air Max Correlates, just 2090s right here. Just a bunch of generic stuff, not much. That one shoe was it in the women's, dude. Do got Cortez in the grade school, because we have not seen, we haven't been able to find these in men's. Apparently Cortez super limited in men's sizes. Got him in grade school here. Do got LeBrons. These are the older ones, the 18s. And that's it, you guys. That's it. Wow. Okay. Is that the thumbnail right there? I don't know. Or the dunks and the heat wall? I don't know. Man, those sneaker pants, so hard, dude. So hard because I'm using my phone. But yeah, got my NBA shorts still because it's the same day. I've been filming a few of these same day. All right, let's go check out apparel, I guess. All right, let's go. They have been teasing us with the 40% off apparel, but the selection's just been mediocre at most of the outlets. Got a Suns authentic jersey right here. There's a blank one though. $100. Okay, 40% off. That's $60. That's actually not bad. I don't know what size it is. It's supposed small. Size 40, which I believe is a small. Got hoodies. Super Bowl hoodie here. Going for $53. $80 for these. Regular price. Nike SB t-shirt. Has a rose on it though. $35 for those. XL. T-shirts going for $15, which goes under 10, right? Under 10. Got a bunch of t-shirts. Bunch of different sizes too. Clippers Leonard jersey, of course, $90 to get 40 off. James Jr. It's an on-field jersey. These go for, this is a $130 one. Okay. Not much going on, really, not much. Westbrook jerseys. A Washington Wizards Westbrook jersey, still going for $90. I guess decent at 40% off, but these should almost be free. Those are both larges. And then got blank Miami jerseys, authentic ones, $225. Small and the large. Jordan hoodies going for $45 and then 40% off. That's actually hella cheap. Wow. $45, 40% off large. Got a bunch of larges. Okay. Nike SB hoodie. It's a pink one. These are down to $40. So 40% off of that. Man, $24. That's hella cheap. Wow. Then they do have these on sale too. Okay, $12. You do get 40% off, but if they had white ones, I'd probably buy them if they were white. Got Nike Elite socks. Oh, this is, it says $14, but there's no clearance price tag on it, so I don't know if they're referring to that. Do got some shorts here. Zoom Freak shorts going for $55. That's a double XL. Just not much today. All right, guys, not too crazy. The last couple of Nike outlets, not the craziest, but hey, it is what it is, you guys. It is what it is. A lot of ups and downs, a lot of empty trips, but once in a while you're gonna find that crazy like crazy deal, but just not this one. At Long Beach, at least they had 30% off the heat table. Here, like they didn't even have that, but it is what it is. We have found some great stuff here in the past, so of course I'm gonna keep checking because, you know, like they just probably down on merch. That's probably what it is. I don't think the shipping situation is still 100%, so you know, we'll have to see. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Make sure your help wet. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos. Man, this windy as hell. I'm hoping y'all can hear this, but we'll see what happens. See you guys next one. Peace.
Yeah.